forget our antenna. Alright, let's put the antenna back. Antenna cable. Because that's where the rest of the PCB for the display, that's where it kind of lives. Alright, get my tweezers. Alright, let's pull it out. Very nice. Just make sure we see that that hole for the T5 Torx. The only one that we need for the antenna cable. There you go. I gotta see a little better. I gotta use my tweezers here. There we go. Gives me a little bit more stability. Okay. Make sure you feel like a click when you put it back in. And if you don't, just try to pull it up a little bit. And if it's not pulling up with you, yeah, it's good. It's good to go. All right, check it, and we're good.